What's going on YouTube? Murdic back here bringing you guys a video on this beautiful W212. It's a rainy day, rainy night, but I'm just going to be showcasing the features in this car, especially at night setting and with the wet roads. So let's just get straight into it. Don't mind the tire pressure monitor system. It's fine, I checked it. I don't know what's going on, I have to get that checked. But overall, this car is just super fun to drive. Absolutely stunning. This is the cabin with all the windows up and the sunroof closed. Very comfortable. And yeah, guys, really don't even notice the rain because of the 4MATIC system in this car. Just all the tires are gripped to the pavement pretty much. That really helps with like the performance and anything else, and safety too, in my opinion. I don't know what tires are on the car right now. I believe there's some type of Pro Contact, some type of sporty one. But right now we're just gonna go drive back. I'm gonna showcase this in a garage, give you guys an exterior view, also kind of like a test drive of the vehicle. So as you can see, pretty much every other car is just going really slow because they don't have the all-wheel drive system, and this thing's pretty planted too. And that was a sheriff, some type of policeman, just fooling. And yeah, guys, we're just cruising along down. There's supposed to be some tropical storm approaching us. Hopefully that won't impact these car videos, because you know, gotta get it every day. If you haven't been noticing, I have almost daily posting, so if you ever want to watch something online, you should probably check out my channel, because I'll probably post something new. But other than that, boys, we're just cruising along. Let me have the window down for a little bit, get some wind noise. Little GTI. Hey, little pop in there. It's dope. I can't tell if that's the Golf R. I think it's just a GTI. It's slam. This E-350 is completely bone stock, but it's AMG package, and I really do appreciate the Mercedes factory settings. They make such beautiful cars. It's insane. Can't even like describe to you over the camera, unfortunately. Just have to feel it in person. Highly recommend it. Now we're on the highway. Someone coming. Yeah, we're just cruising on the highway. This thing is such a breeze to drive. Let me put the window up. But yeah, like I said, this thing is just complete ease of mind. Very peaceful driving. It's so planted. All the tires are spinning. It's got all-wheel drive. I don't know what that person's doing. Let me get over. It's pretty sus. So like I said, this thing is just absolute unit. Really enjoyable. Probably one of my more favorite Mercedes models. Definitely the E-Class. It's kind of like a mix between the C and the S with the amenities, and then it's not like the big boat like the S-Class is, but I've yet to drive one, so I can't comment. But I have driven the C-Class of this time period. I believe the W212. It's on my channel if you're interested. But like I said, guys, this thing is just, this is a 2015 model. I think it's the last production year for the W212. What a great platform machine. It's absolutely stunning. Very nimble, just overall very comfortable car. And here we are. There's a C300 behind us. I can see in the mirror. Maybe an E-Class. But yeah, this thing is so dope. Alright guys, here we go.
Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day.